Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Gabby the Great, and I'm here with another video to update you on everything that has been going on. And I know you guys have been expecting a new video since, but here we are to another video. So happy new year, welcome to 2025, and this is my first video for this year. And yeah, let's kick into it. So wow, can you believe it's been a whole 1 month since I started this YouTube journey? And time has flown by really quick, and it's been a crazy mix of excitement, learning, and a whole lot of juggling. Let me show you what I mean. So yeah, this is me trying to be a YouTuber and a student at the same time. Spoiler alert, it doesn't look so easy. One of the biggest challenges this month has been balancing my academics at Cyber College of Technology with content creating between lectures and late night studies. There were moments where I felt like, how am I even going to pull this through? There were days I felt like I was living two lives: content creator by day, student by night. Let's just say coffee has become my best friend. But you know what? Those struggles taught me the value of time management and prioritizing what truly matters. I have learned to create a schedule that lets me give my best to both my academics and my passion for content creation. For anyone out there trying to balance school, work, or any other commitment with a passion project, trust me, it is possible. It is not always perfect, but it is so worth it. Despite the challenges, this month has been filled with so many little wins. Seeing your comments and support has made every late night worth it. And to my friends, family, and classmates who have been cheering me on, you are the real MVPs. This is just the start. My goal is to keep growing this channel while staying on top of my academics, because if there is one thing I have learned, is that balance is key. I'm so excited to share more content with you all and to continue building this amazing community. So yeah, if you have ever struggled to balance your goals with everything else life throws at you, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's figure this out together. Share your struggles or tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Stay amazing and keep hustling. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for supporting, and thanks to my classmate that's helping me to make this video. I really do appreciate you. So see you on the next video, guys. Thank you very much for watching.